Hello everyone, just wanted to share a couple resources that I recently found on the Educator Center in Newsela. So when you're in the Newsela website, in the upper right hand corner you're going to find this Educator Center tab, and if you click on it, it'll take you to the Educator Center. And if you simply type in the word April, what will show up are resources that are really useful. So to start off, on the bottom is a webinar around This is Learning with Newsela ELA that's going to happen on April 21st, and then another webinar that's going to be Newsela Social Studies that's happening on April 22nd, and This is Learning with Newsela Science on April 23rd. And these are all live webinars hosted by Newsela staff that are really exceptional, that you have an opportunity to attend. Along with that, Ellen Perez, someone that I've worked with in the past and is just a really phenomenal educator, has put together assignments of the day. Now, all of these assignments are really relevant and have a really clear direction. I'm just going to click on one that was for April 17th. And once you go into it, it will give you the assignment in a way that you are able to edit it. So, it says assignment of the day, April 17th, but let's say you wanted to assign this on April 22nd. And if you go into here, you can directly edit it and also select the classes from your class list that meet on that day. Right? Then you have that in there. And if you read over the instructions, you can also change aspects of the instructions. So let's say for your class you highlight in a different color. You could change that here. Right? You could change the highlight to whatever you'd like in terms of matching your own class's annotation styles. Another thing is that let's say you get to the bottom and you really like this idea of having students share a video or a photo or something for this assignment. So maybe you want to change this to make it to upload a video of you safely exercising onto our Canvas page or whatever learning management page that you have, right? And you can also, keep parts of this. I'm not going to edit this right now in front of you, but you get the idea of what you can do with this assignment that was originally created by Ellen, but is totally adaptable to your needs. All right, and then you could save a draft, and where it would show up is that you have a draft of this assignment ready to go, and then you can then click into it at a later time when you're ready and assign it when you're ready to assign it. So this is just a way that Newsela has offered lessons that are pretty much ready to go, but give you the flexibility of editing and working with it. All of these articles are really relevant and have so many connections to kids. Many of them are within the distance learning context in terms of this article in particular is about how marathoners are dealing with the lockdown and finding ways to exercise, right? So there are relevant articles, lessons that are really scaffolded with good instructions that are already ready for you, and hopefully that you found this useful for your teaching practice during this unprecedented time. Well, take care everyone, and really appreciative of all that the educators are doing from across the country and across the world during this pandemic, and really appreciative of Newsela and the resources that they provide.